Building blocks of English. Understanding nouns, verbs, adjectives, and more. 1. Nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or ideas. For instance, people, girl, teacher, doctor, places, park, city, beach, things, car, book, phone, ideas, love, happiness, freedom. 2. Verbs. Verbs show actions or states of being. Examples include action, run, eat, dance, state of being, is, am, are. 3. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. They tell us more about a noun. For example, beautiful flower, tall building, happy person. 4. Adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent. For instance, she sings beautifully. How she sings, he works very hard. To what extent he works. 5. Pronouns. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repetition. Examples include he, she, they, it, I, you. 6. Prepositions. Prepositions show relationships between words in a sentence. They indicate location, direction, time, and more. Examples: on the table, under the bed, in the morning. 7. Conjunctions. Conjunctions join words, phrases, or sentences together. For instance, and joins similar ideas, but shows contrast, or presents choices. 8. Articles. Articles, a, in, the, introduce nouns and help us understand whether we're talking about a specific thing or anything. Example sentences. Noun: the dog chased the ball. Verb: she runs in the park every morning. Adjective: they live in a big house. Adverb: he speaks English fluently. Pronoun: she is my friend. Preposition: the book is on the table. Conjunction: I want pizza and pasta. Article: an apple is on the counter. Remember, these are just the basics, but they form the building blocks of English sentences. As you become more comfortable with these concepts, you'll be able to create more complex sentences and express yourself more clearly in English. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Sun Wheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra.